Ever felt like you're trapped in a financial maze, desperately searching for the exit sign marked Neon Bank Cancellation? You're not alone. Maybe you signed up for the sleek interface, the promise of easy digital banking, but now, something's changed. Perhaps it's the fees, the customer service, or simply a shift in your financial needs. Whatever the reason, you're here because you want out. And let's be honest, navigating the termination process of any online bank can feel like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs. Digital banking, while convenient, can sometimes lack the personal touch of a traditional brick-and-mortar establishment. So, how do you cut through the digital red tape and close your Neon bank account? That's what we're going to break down today. First things first, and this is crucial, check your balance. Make absolutely certain you've transferred all your funds to another account. Leaving even a few cents can complicate the closing process, and you don't want to leave any money behind. Once you're sure your balance is zero, or as close to zero as possible, you can begin the formal closure. Next, dive into Neon Bank's terms and conditions. I know, reading the fine print is about as exciting as watching paint dry, but trust me, it's essential. Look for their specific account closure policy. Some banks require a written request, others might have a form you need to fill out online, and some might even require a phone call. Understanding their specific procedures will save you a lot of time and frustration. If they offer an online option, look for a close account or terminate account section within your account settings or help center. If you can't find it, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer support. This is where things can get a bit tricky, but persistence is key. When you contact customer support, be prepared. Have your account details readily available, including your account number and any other identifying information they might request. Be clear and concise about your intention to close your account. Don't be afraid to ask for a confirmation of the closure in writing, whether via email or a support ticket. This documentation is your safety net, proving that you initiated the closure process. If you're dealing with a phone call, keep notes of the conversation, including the date, time, and the name of the representative you spoke with. This will be invaluable if any issues arise later. One often overlooked step is to cancel any recurring payments or direct debits linked to your Neon Bank account. Before closing, meticulously review your transaction history and identify any automatic payments. Update these payment methods with your new bank details to avoid any disruptions or missed payments. This is a critical step because failing to do it can lead to late payment fees or service interruptions. After you've submitted your closure request and received confirmation, monitor your credit report. While closing a bank account doesn't typically affect your credit score, it's always good practice to keep an eye on your reports for any unexpected activity. Finally, keep all your documentation related to the account closure for future reference. You never know when you might need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.